Okay, so the sound is not always there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this reservoir out of the way. We are gonna try to get our lighting to be a little better than that. Okay, not so good, but it is fine. That's better. That's more like it. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I am going to pull that tensioner that way, okay? And we're gonna get that belt off. So what I need to do here is get this belt off slowly, and I don't want to lose the track on the belt in the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to kind of put it under this alternator and just kind of let it sit there just like that. Okay, now the tensioner does have like a nut in the back, so we need to kind of like turn. Okay, it kind of locked itself up. Let's go. Okay, that's not working. Okay, let's give it another shot. Just do or die on this little guy. There you go. It's loose. But remember, there's a nut in the back that can fall off, so be careful. What I like to do here is I am going to put my wrench on the back end just to give it a leverage so that nut doesn't fall out. This is kind of loose. There you go. And we got this guy out. So there's not a nut in the back. So I don't know. I was probably going crazy. So I'm not sure, but we got the pulley out. Next step, we have our new pulley. There's a part number on this. There's a part number on this guy. So I'm gonna take this out of the box. Okay. So Gates is the brand, that is Gates. So the pulley looks something like this. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna catch the threads. So yeah, there is kind of nut back there which got pushed off. So it's still there. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go back from the back end with my wrench. If it doesn't, I just don't want it to fall out. Then I'm gonna have to dismantle everything. So let's see if I can catch threads. There you go, we caught threads. We caught threads. And we're gonna lock this up. And at the same time, whoop, there goes my wrench, freaking all the way down there. Let me get a magnet. I didn't want that to happen, so I went and got me a magnet. Sometimes tools fall and then you can never like reach them. Always gotta have this thing handy dandy. And there you go. Come on, munchkin. Okay, so I am gonna try to get this belt on. Let me just get it fixed on the alternator there. I was kind of seeing a problem with the belt, but then I don't see a problem with the belt. Okay, and the belt should kind of go on. At this time, you should replace the belt, but sometimes, yeah, customers only want what they think they need. Okay, perfect. I see. I just want to feel the water pump on this guy. Okay, that's good. Alternator is fine. There you go. We got our belt on. Bada bing, bada boom. We have successfully replaced the pulley on this guy. So hopefully this guy helps you guys out. There's our new pulley. So thank you for watching. This is a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 4-door. Thank you for watching. I am gonna start this baby up. I'm gonna let it run for a good 10-15 minutes, and then we'll come back and see how the response is. Let me remove everything off this. So far it's sounding good. Alright, so far I do hear some sound. It could be 2 sounds there. So we're gonna leave it there for now.